Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I would like introduce myself. My name is Fitriani. May I introduce my husband? My husband is Solihin. He is 49 years old. My husband, the job is a school servant. In every step of my life, he supported and encouraged me. And my husband is a very gentle person, and he is always ready to help others whenever they face any problem. Thank you.